Welcome to the Stanley Falls Flume. Woo! No moss. No moss. Stanley Falls Flume. Hi! Make a MySpace account. Welcome to Busch Gardens. This will probably be our last ride, so. No moss Scorpion, no moss Flume either, bro.
It's actually been confirmed for the 2026 season. They'll be adding batwing trains.
Yes, actually, it's a confirmed transformation of Stanley Falls Flume. We're getting batwing trains, guys.
Stanley.
Stanley.
Sit upright, hold on tight, and brace for a sudden throw down to the bottom of the hill.
Thank you. No moss. No moss. Oh, free drop.
Yeah, this is all of Donald Earl Ball's collection.
Yo, it's all of Donald Earl Ball's drool. It's his collection. No moss.
Hold on tight, and brace for a sudden throw down at the bottom of the hill.
Woo! Let's go! Content! Oh! Here we go. Here's that good old arrow jag that I'm gonna miss.
Oh, my feet.
Oh, I'm gonna miss that. Oh, there he is. Ribfest. Here we go. One last flume. One last flume.
That'd be awesome.
That would be crazy though.
Hold on tight, and brace for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill. Thank you. Por favor, siéntese correctamente, cállese en fuerte para una caída repentina que se detenga en el centro de la puerta. Gracias.
Florida's tallest launch coaster. My favorite SNS drop tower, Tigress. All right. One last time for good old time's sakes. Woo! Yo! Oh my god! One last ride.
That was it.
One last ride.
Video was taken.
Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment.